vast, silent theater of the cosmos, our planet is a masterpiece of creation, a world teeming with life, beauty, and wonder. But beneath this tranquil surface lies a raw, untamed power, a force that sculpts landscapes, dictates the weather, and reminds us of nature's formidable might. This is Earth in its most extreme form, a collection of places so wild, so intense. They defy imagination. Join us on a journey to the very edge of possibility, to witness Earth's untamed power. Our world is a canvas painted with fire and ice, a dynamic sphere of constant creation and destruction. We often seek comfort in its gentle breezes and warm sunshine, but to truly understand our planet, we must venture into its most hostile corners. These are the places where the rules of everyday life are suspended, where nature's power is on full, unapologetic display, from the searing heat of the Earth's core bursting forth to the crushing pressure of the deepest oceans. These environments are not just geographical locations, they are living, breathing demonstrations of the planet's immense energy. Our first destination takes us deep into the Amazon rainforest to a place of myth and legend. Here, a river boils. The Shanay-Tempishka, or the boiling river of Peru, flows at temperatures reaching over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to cook any creature that dares to enter its waters. For centuries, it was considered a mere legend, a story told by local shamans. But this river is very real. It's not heated by a nearby volcano, but by a vast hydrothermal system, where fall-fed hot springs pour their blistering contents into the stream. Steam rises in thick, ethereal clouds, shrouding the jungle in mystery. The water, so clear yet so deadly, carves its path through the lush green, a stark reminder that even in the planet's most vibrant cradles of life, a lethal, primordial heat flows just beneath the surface. From boiling water, we turn to fire in the sky. Not just fire, but fire tornadoes. These swirling vortexes of flame, also known as fire whirls, are a terrifying spectacle. They form when intense rising heat and turbulent wind conditions combine, creating a whirlwind of fire that can stretch hundreds of feet into the air. While they can occur during wildfires, they are a powerful, independent force of nature. The updraft of superheated air begins to rotate, pulling in debris and combustible gases, feeding its own fiery ascent. It's a hypnotic, destructive dance of elements, a rare and fearsome sight that showcases the volatile chemistry of our atmosphere. When pushed to its absolute limit, it's as if the very air we breathe has been ignited, a vortex of destruction that consumes everything in its path. Now, let's look to the skies, where a different kind of fire rages. High above Venezuela, over the mouth of the Catatumbo River, a storm never ceases. This is the Relámpago del Catatumbo, an atmospheric phenomenon that produces the world's highest concentration of lightning. For up to 160 nights a year, for 10 hours a day, the sky is alight with a near-constant barrage of electrical energy. Methane gas rising from the surrounding marshes, combined with wind sweeping in from the Andes Mountains, creates the perfect conditions for this perpetual storm. It's a silent, breathtaking light show from a distance, a dazzling display of atmospheric power. Each bolt carries billions of volts, illuminating the clouds in a celestial ballet. This is Earth's natural power grid, a place where the sky itself crackles with an unending, raw energy. We journey now from the sky to the very heart of the Earth's creative fury, a volcanic eruption. This is one of the most powerful events on the planet, a direct window into the molten core that lies beneath our feet. When pressure builds, magma, gas, and ash are expelled with explosive force, reshaping the very land we stand on. Lava, a river of liquid rock, heated to over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, flows like a molten scar across the landscape, destroying everything it touches, but also creating new ground, new islands, new beginnings. The sky darkens with ash, and the air trembles with the planet's roar. It's a primal, inspiring display of geology in motion, a force that has shaped continents and defined life on Earth since its inception. Witnessing an eruption is to witness the planet being born. From the inferno of a volcano, we plunge into a world of sub-zero artistry. Beneath the vast glaciers of Iceland lie crystalline wonders, ice caves. These are temporary, ethereal cathedrals sculpted by nature, formed by meltwater flowing through or under a glacier. These caves are a dazzling spectacle of blue. The ice, compressed over centuries, absorbs every color of the spectrum except blue, which it reflects, creating an otherworldly sapphire glow. Walking through an ice cave is like stepping into a frozen jewel. The walls shimmer, the air is still and frigid, and the silence is broken only by the faint creak of the glacier moving, a slow, unstoppable river of ice. These caves are fleeting, changing with the seasons, melting and reforming, a beautiful, fragile testament to the power of water and time. Our journey now leads us to a landscape that seems to belong on another planet. In the Danakil Depression of Ethiopia, one of the lowest and hottest places on Earth, we find the Dow of hydrothermal fields. Here, acid lakes glow in surreal shades of neon green, yellow, and orange. Hot, saline water, pushed up from volcanic chambers below, brings minerals like sulfur and iron oxide to the surface. As the water evaporates under the scorching sun, it leaves behind these vibrant, otherworldly salt formations. The air is thick with the smell of sulfur, and the ground is a fragile crust over a bubbling, acidic brew. This is not a place for life as we know it. It's a chemical wonderland, a glimpse into what a primordial, or even alien, world might look like. It's a stark, beautiful, and dangerously toxic masterpiece painted by Earth's own geological chemistry. Finally, we descend into the abyss, to a place of eternal darkness and unimaginable pressure, the deep ocean trenches. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known point on Earth, plunging nearly 7 miles below the ocean surface. The pressure here is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, enough to crush most vessels and life forms instantly. Sunlight has never touched these depths, yet, against all odds, life persists. Strange, bioluminescent creatures navigate the crushing blackness, creating their own light in a world without a sun. Hydrothermal vents, known as black smokers, spew superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust, creating oases of life for unique ecosystems that thrive on chemicals instead of sunlight. This is the planet's final frontier, a mysterious, alien world right here on Earth, holding secrets we are only just beginning to understand. From boiling rivers to frozen caves, from fiery skies to the crushing dark of the abyss, we have witnessed the extremes of our planet. These places are more than just natural wonders. They are a profound lesson in humility. They remind us that we are inhabitants of a world that is powerful, dynamic, and far from being fully understood. They show us that the forces that created our world are still very much at work, constantly shaping, changing, and challenging our place within it. The untamed power of Earth is not a threat to be conquered, but a force to be respected, a source of awe and wonder that inspires us to continue exploring, learning, and protecting the incredible planet we call home. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you were as awestruck as we were, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more adventures into the wild, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an expedition. We'll see you next time.